Having trouble getting your Android device to charge properly? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll give you 6 tips to fix an Android device that isn't charging. Now let's get started. The first issue that may be causing your Android to not charge properly is your charger not being plugged in all the way. This is a common problem if you have a case on your phone, especially if the case is a thick or bulky protective case. To solve this issue, remove your phone case and try firmly inserting the charger to ensure it's all the way plugged in and sitting straight. Also ensure the other end of your charger that is plugged into the wall or a USB port is plugged in properly. Another issue that could cause your Android to not charge is a dirty charging port or charger. If there's any debris or residue on either your charger or the charging port that it plugs into, this can prevent your device from charging. You can gently wipe off your charger with a cotton swab and clean the charging port on your device with a cotton swab or a toothpick. Once you've cleaned them both, try plugging your charger in again to see if it solved the problem. If you're still having trouble with your Android not charging, it's possible that your charger is the issue. If you can, try using a different charging cord to plug in your device. You can also try a different adapter if you're plugging your device into a wall outlet, or try a different USB port if you're charging through your computer. Charging cords and adapters can get worn over time, so you may just need to replace the charger or wall adapter. If your charger appears to be fine, but your device still isn't charging, test that your outlet works by plugging something else into it, such as a lamp or a small appliance. You can also try plugging your charger into a different wall outlet to see if that works. Additionally, you can test the cord alone and plugging it into a USB outlet such as a computer USB port. Our last suggestion to fix your Android device not charging is to reboot your device. Turn your device off, wait at least 30 seconds, then turn it on again. After it restarts, try plugging your charger in again to see if it works. If none of these methods worked for you and your device still won't charge, there may be an issue with your Android or its battery. In this case, we would suggest bringing your device in to your mobile service provider to have them take a look at it, or getting in touch with the customer support team of the manufacturer of your device to get assistance with your issue and coordinate any necessary repairs. That does it for our 6 tips and tricks to fix an Android device that isn't charging. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.